Cooking for beginners, essential skills. Cooking is a valuable life skill that anyone can learn with practice and patience. If you're new to the kitchen, mastering a few essential skills will set you up for success. Here are some fundamental techniques and simple recipes to help you get started. Please subscribe and share the video. Essential cooking skills. 1. Knife skills. Learn how to hold a knife properly for safety and control. Practice chopping, slicing, dicing, and mincing vegetables and herbs. 2. Measuring ingredients. Use measuring cups and spoons for accuracy. Learn the difference between dry and liquid measurements. 3. Boiling and simmering. Master the art of cooking pasta, rice, and vegetables by boiling water correctly. Understand the difference between boiling, high heat, and simmering, low heat. 4. Sautéing and stir-frying. Cook food quickly in a small amount of oil over medium-high heat. Stir ingredients frequently to prevent burning. 5. Baking basics. Preheat the oven before baking. Follow recipes closely and measure accurately for the best results. Please subscribe and share the video. Simple recipes for beginners. 1. Scrambled eggs. Ingredients. 1. 2 eggs. 2. 1 tablespoon butter or oil. 3. Salt and pepper to taste. 4. Instructions. 1. Heat butter or oil in a pan over medium heat. 2. Crack eggs into a bowl and whisk. 3. Pour eggs into the pan and stir continuously until cooked to your preference. 4. Season with salt and pepper. Please subscribe and share the video. 2. Simple pasta ingredients. 1. 1 cup pasta. 2. 2 cups water. 3. Half cup tomato sauce. 4. Salt and Parmesan cheese to taste. 5. Instructions. 1. Boil water in a pot, add salt, and cook pasta according to package instructions. 2. Drain pasta and mix with tomato sauce. 3. Top with Parmesan cheese before serving. Please subscribe and share the video. 3. Grilled cheese sandwich ingredients. 1. 2 slices of bread. 2. 1 tablespoon butter. 3. 1 slice of cheese. 4. Instructions. 1. Heat a pan over medium heat. 2. Butter one side of each bread slice. 3. Place cheese between the bread slices, buttered sides facing out. Cook in the pan until golden brown on both sides and the cheese is melted. Please subscribe and share the video. Trending tips for beginners. 1. Start with simple recipes and gradually try more complex dishes. 2. Keep your kitchen organized and clean as you cook. 3. Taste as you go and adjust seasoning to your preference. 4. Don't be afraid to experiment and make mistakes. Cooking is a learning process. With these basic skills and easy recipes, you'll gain confidence in the kitchen and enjoy the process of cooking delicious meals. Please subscribe and share the video. Conclusion and final thoughts on cooking for beginners and essential skills. Cooking is a valuable and rewarding skill that brings creativity, nourishment, and joy to everyday life. For beginners, mastering essential techniques lays the foundation for confidence and efficiency in the kitchen. Key takeaways. 1. Basic skills matter. Learning knife skills, food safety, and fundamental cooking methods, boiling, sautéing, baking, etc., sets a strong base. 2. Ingredient knowledge, understanding flavors, how ingredients work together, and how to choose fresh produce improves cooking outcomes. 3. Practice and patience. Cooking takes time and experience. Experimenting with recipes helps build confidence. 4. Essential tools. Investing in quality kitchen tools simplifies the process and enhances efficiency. 5. Meal planning and preparation. Organizing meals in advance saves time and reduces stress in the kitchen. Final thoughts: cooking should be an enjoyable and fulfilling experience. Start with simple recipes, practice regularly, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. They are part of the learning process. As you gain confidence, you can experiment with different cuisines and techniques, making cooking a lifelong skill that enhances both health and creativity. Please subscribe and share the video. If you enjoyed watching, please subscribe to this channel and share the video, if you have not. Subscription is free and does not cost money. Have you subscribed now? Okay, I will wait for you to subscribe now. Thank you. Do not forget to like the video, share the video, comment down below, watch recommended or suggested videos on your screen, click or tap notification bell so that you would be notified each time we upload new videos. Please subscribe to this channel and share the video, if you have not. We say a big thank you for watching and see you in our next video.